A look inside Drake's $22 million YOLO estate. Ever wondered what it was like to live in a multi-million-dollar estate? Maybe, but we promise you that this one is different from the rest. Popular singer Drake is no magician, but the man does have some tricks up his sleeve pulling out expensive, luxurious homes like this. Welcome back to our channel, and in today's video, we give you a look inside Drake's $22 million YOLO estate. All you have to do is sit tight and prepare to be amazed. Let's get started. The singer's YOLO estate is said to be one of the most known and private estates where popular entertainment celebrities reside. This includes members of the Kardashian-Jenner family, amongst others. Let's dive into the details of the mansion, shall we? The singer bought the property years back for $7.7 million, according to reports, and named the property the You Only Live Once YOLO Estate, after his hit song, The Motto. Drake even had a sign outside the property that he later got rid of after it was continuously stolen. We wonder why, don't we? The YOLO mansion was built in a classic English Tudor style way back in 1974 with state-of-the-art amenities, which is contrary to the over-the-top exterior. This includes a pool that's decorated with statues of naked women. Sounds weird, right? The king-sized master bedroom is the centerpiece of the mansion and is simply fitting for a king. It boasts 2,000 square feet of space. Enough space. The bedroom also features a connecting spa, as well as marble-soaking tubs to pamper his rich skin. Drake's mansion also features a bar inside the swimming pool and its very own swim-in grotto. And of course, the huge statues of naked women we mentioned before around the water and a waterfall gushing from the hot tub above. We don't know about you, but that sounds very exotic to us. According to reports, it was the swimming pool that attracted the singer to the property in the first place, and he's had his eyes on it for years. Drake didn't seem to change much when he purchased the property. He even kept the full-size beach volleyball court that came with the property, complete with sand and everything. There's also an outdoor fireplace that sits beside the pool, an 80-foot slide, and many plasma televisions for some on-screen entertainment. But the spaces aren't just for entertaining the singer's guests. He also has lots of space to get his active side with the basketball court and a tennis court. Drake is well known to be a fan of both sports. And just in case the statue of naked women didn't make it clear that the mansion is a bachelor pad, the singer admitted that when he brings ladies to the mansion, he gets great delight in flipping a switch beside a bookshelf, which happens to swing open to reveal his spacious bedroom. Phew, that's reassuring! The property also features a wine cellar, a 25-seat theater, 6 fireplaces, and a tasting area. Additional features include an equestrian area, a stable for horses, and shockingly, a mechanical bull which helps those guests who want to know how it feels to ride a bull but are terrified of the real experience. Lastly, the home features beamed and coffered ceilings, a wood-paneled library for readers, and 6 bedrooms and 10 bathrooms in total on the 12,500 square feet property. This home, previously owned by Hugh Hefner, founder of Playboy magazine, isn't just for Drake to show off the whole world that he's a proud womanizer. He's also made sure to turn the property into a place that his close family and friends can come over for visits or parties. The mansion fits for the venue of a good party. The multi-award winner purchased the 2 neighboring homes for his guests to stay in for $2.85 million in 2016 and $4.5 million in 2018, respectively. It turns out that the mansion was put up for sale for around $20 million back in 2017, but the star had no intention of selling the property then. It was put on the market as a total mistake. However, the singer is selling his YOLO mansion this year. He has reportedly put the property up for sale. According to reports, he is selling the Hidden Hills mansion for a final price of $14.8 million. He also happens to be selling the 2 neighboring properties that he purchased years ago for buyers that are looking to own a larger compound. The main property, which is 12,500 square feet, can be significantly expanded for anyone with enough money in the bank who's looking to own either of the additional 2 properties. The 3 properties amount to approximately 6.7 acres of land altogether and are located at the end of a cul-de-sac for enough privacy. The 3 properties can be purchased for $22.2 million. In our opinion, that's a pretty sweet deal. If you happen to have a few spare millions, you should consider. Although, you might have to wrestle a bunch of people for this top-notch property. According to reports, the rapper may have a buyer who is none other than the recently freed singer and social media personality Britney Spears, who is said to have recently taken a tour of the property along with some other famous names like America's favorite woman of the year, Caitlyn Jenner. Drake might have put his mansion on the market, but reports state that the rapper purchased another mansion in early March in an off-market deal in the luxurious Beverly Hills for a whopping sum of $50 million, which happens to be $35 million below the initial asking price. Previously owned by Robbie Williams, the house lies in 25,000 square feet of space and fits around 11 cars in its garage. Okay, Drake, we see you. The Tuscan-style house features 10 bedrooms and 22 bathrooms in total. According to reports, the amenities present include a gym, a tennis court, a wine cellar, a screening room, an elevator, a game room, a mosaic-tiled pool, and an outdoor kitchen. If nobody's gonna say it, we are. This man has amazing taste in homes. The singer has some amazing properties, including his home in Toronto. Remember the house Dreezy was 2C sliding in the music video? The huge and expensive looking house? Yeah, that's where the man lives. Surreal. The star rapper was born and raised in Toronto in Canada and permanently resides there in his $100 million mansion. Yeah, the house that is that expensive. The Grammy-winning rapper took Architectural Digest on a tour of the 50,000 square foot mansion, which features a large basketball court among other amenities, back in 2020. The Canadian home is located in North York in Toronto, and the home is bordered by luxurious properties owned by big celebrities like Robert Herjavec and Celine freaking Dion. The large living area of the home features a huge mirror and a raging fireplace. Enormous chandeliers also decorate the lofty ceilings, and a stunning grand piano rests in one of the room's corners, giving it the luxurious look it deserves. Also, the huge kitchen features rows of gorgeous navy blue seats, where his guests may eat casually, and an elegant marble island, making even the kitchen look as opulent as possible. Did we mention that the main suite is twice the size of a normal apartment? Well, it is. Fun fact, right? A hot tub, a kitchenette, 2 covered terraces, a dressing room, a steam shower, and other jaw-dropping features made it the main suite to remember. Back to the topic of the YOLO mansion, which the rapper happens to be selling. Some people are speculating that the star is leaving his mouth-watering Hidden Hills, California home because he is allegedly being pursued by a lady who he has been sued by on several occasions. Before she was apprehended, she managed to break into the YOLO estate and locked herself in one of the apartments. Nothing to see here, people, just one crazy lady. The rapper has filed a restraining order against the estranged lady since the incident, although we'd love to see more from this unlikely pair. We don't mean that. Well, that's all for today's video. What do you think of Drake's expensive YOLO estate? Would you like to live there? Make sure to share your views in the comment section below. Hope you enjoyed watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. See you in the next video.